Good morning, everyone. It is 5:55 a.m. on November the 30th. I've got a few earthquakes for this morning's report, and then I'll let you go. There was a 4.2 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. That was on the EMSC app. There was a 3.0 Alaska at 0 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Central Turkey at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Chile at 86 miles in depth, and that was on the Chile Earthquake Center location. There was a 3.4 Iona Sea at 19 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Australia at 1.2 miles in depth. Amata, AMATA, Australia. That was on the Australian Earthquake app. There was a 4.0 China at 6.2 miles in depth, and that one was on the China Earthquake app. There were, not app, the Earthquake Center, sorry. There was a 3.9 Colombia, Venezuela region at 9.1 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Colombia, Venezuela region at 91 miles in depth. So that was two of them, Venezuelan Earthquake Center. There was a 3.0 New Zealand at 23 miles in depth. That was on the New Zealand Earthquake Center. There was a 3.0 Canary Islands, Spain at 19 miles in depth, and that was on the IGU, National Geographic Institute Earthquake Center. And then there was a 3.2 Dominican Republic at 58 miles in depth. That's all I got, everybody. It was a quiet, semi-quiet evening. Nothing major after the 1 o'clock report. God bless you. Please be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are great. 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much.